Look up and pay attention. Alright, so I'm going to ask you as we go along. So Raymond, what does sine mean? Sine of an angle. Is it opposite or adjacent?
Opposite over hypotenuse.
Yeah. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Right, next one. Alistair, what's cos?
Adjacent over hypotenuse.
Adjacent. And then what's tan? Ocean.
Opposite over adjacent.
Alright. Which one is the opposite to A? Which number? 5 is the opposite. Which one is the hypotenuse then? The longest side? 11. And then this one has to be the adjacent. Alright? Alright. So if we want to get the sine of the angle A, what's it going to be? We'll write them up here. Sine of A equals?
5 over 11.
Well, the rule is sine is opposite over hypotenuse. 5 over 11. Opposite over hypotenuse. Cos of A, you understanding this? The cos of A, what's the rule for cos? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So, what's the cos? Adjacent. Over
11.
And now we do the tan. Tan of A, the rule is opposite over adjacent. 5 over 9, yeah. Alright. Now to find the size of the angle, how big this angle is, we can use any one of those. Which one do you want to use?
Sine.
Sine, we'll use sine. So finding the angle. So it's sine minus 1. So you get that on your calculator by keying in second function, shift, and hitting the sine button. There's sine minus 1 above the button. Sine minus 1. And what do we key in?
5 over 11.
5 over 11. So hit the fraction button and you key in 5 over 11. Bracket equals 27.03. 27. degrees. So we use sine. Can we use cos to do it?
Yes.
Right. Cos minus 1. What do we use? 9 over 11. Key that into your calculator. Shift, cos, see cos minus 1. And the fraction is 9 over 11. Cos minus 1. Alright. And the reason why you got that is because my numbers here are probably not correct. They're probably not the correct numbers to produce a right angle triangle. Alright. So we'll just pretend that this one is correct, alright? But that would normally work. Right, we'll try the next triangle. Next triangle, 12, 10, 8. I'm going to call this angle A. Alright, so how do we get the sine of A? Again, Oshin. Sine of A.
Opposite over hypotenuse. 8 over 12.
Opposite over hypotenuse, yeah. Opposite, that's the opposite.
8.
And that's the hypotenuse, that's the longest side. Cos of A. Raymond. cos, the rule is adjacent over hypotenuse.
8 over.
Which one is the adjacent?
10 over
10 over 12. Tan of A, opposite over adjacent. Opposite, which one is the opposite?
8 over
8
10.
over 10.
8 over 10. Now, how do I find the angle A? I can use any one of those. So we'll go sine minus 1 and we'll put in 8 over 11. So we hit the second function button and sine and fraction 8 over 11. 46.65. 658. If I was to round that to 2 decimal places, what's the answer? 2 decimal places.
6.65.
What would 8 do?
6, 7, 6, 6.
Yeah, 46.66.